to the backs who earn their pay. Grow, you don't even grow. Well, they fish for 40 days or more on the banks and on the Labrador. If fish till they can hold no more, grow, you don't even grow. Someday the weather will come, but the horse starts sledging, we will come to the ball. Now the tournament they will go away, for the swimming will be gone. She's a West Country lady from back in the past, and she faces the ocean where noisy waves blast on the rocks, and the wind blows you in the long way. Since the sea was the way between my love, why the glass walks fall? Dream the dream by the old canal. Why kiss my girl? Why the factory wall? Here's your part. Dirty old town, dirty old town. Say the best of friends must come, told us that. Why it's one, the bones in the store.
I could always use some cash.
a figure divine. This night alone, sure I wish was mine. The fairy said, I'll have a go, and she made her look like Bridget Bardot.
But I'm going to ask everybody in the audience, we're going to do the Harvey love song first. Not only was it my nanny's favourite song, but we're going to shed some light for the Autism Society. So if you could all light your phones, light them up so we can shed more light to advocate for what we are here. Light them up.
Two young hearts had to break in County Galway by the sea, where I loved you and you loved me. He courted me my life away, and now
to the lonely shores of Newfoundland, where I traveled many's a mile, was home again in dear old Ireland. There's Kelly's, Murphy's, and Malone's, O'Brien's and O'Hare. That's a lonely bunch of lasting boys that ever can compare. From farmers and from fishermen, they came across the seas of a lovely charmer fair. The curling of her yellow locks first stole my heart away, and her face until you come all the days I spent with my